Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Dhananjay beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nikhil. How are you both? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others? Others are not attending classes. Huh?
Don't.
Okay. Let us do the worksheet for chapter 1, right?
Ma'am, civics.
नहीं. History की. Chapter 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me share the screen. चलिए.
Ma'am, we have 5 days holiday.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am. And can we send our work?
Hmm?
Can we send our work?
Yes, beta. I will tell you where to send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv, are you there?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Is it Anamata?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the screen is coming black.
It is coming black. No, but I am sharing the screen.
No,
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am. Now it is coming.
Now it is coming, no?
Yes,
Fine.
Ma'am, we have to do this in fair copy or draft?
Just now you do it.
Ma'am, in fair copy, draft copy.
Beta, in the fair notebook you do it.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, we have to do till 27.
Yes, beta.
We have to do this 20 till 27.
Do it till 20. We will be able to discuss also in the class then.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Do it quick. Do it in the notebook and then in the form of PDF, you share it on the class group. In the PDF, not image. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
पंगड़ा का पंगड़े का अचार पड़ा है, पंगड़े का पंगड़ा अचार पड़ा है, पंगड़ा अचार।
Are you doing class?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, any problems?
No.
मैम सारे करने हैं।
हाँ जी बेटा, 25 तक कर लीजिए, फिर हम क्लास में भी डिस्कस कर पाएंगे, ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
हसीन has joined the class?
यस मैम।
Fine. Beta, Surbhi ma'am was the other day, she was complaining that you are not attending her English classes, though I told her that you had gone for some cousin's wedding, right?
थैंक यू मैम।
Chalo, continue. बेटा कोई डाउट हो प्लीज पूछ लीजिएगा, है ना?
डायल किए गए नंबर की
ये भी तो तुम्हारा काम है। बेटा how many done?
Ma'am,
मैम
9.
6th.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can you tell the second answer?
Answer you have to tell. We will discuss it. Try to find out. Look at the first page of the chapter.
Okay, ma'am. मैम वो पढ़ाते हैं लेकिन वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
अरे देखो कोशिश करो समझ में आएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it was too easy.
Hmm?
Ma'am, it was too easy.
It is too easy actually. Is Aksata there in the class? Aksata, are you there?
No, ma'am, she is there.
Huh?
No,
She
ma'am.
is in the-
She is not in the meeting.
She has not attended classes today.
No, ma'am,
No,
she
ma'am.
attended. She attended. Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा,
and what is the meaning of incentive?
1 मिनट अभी बता रहे, 1 मिनट बेटा।
Ma'am, can we discuss now?
Just a minute.
Ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, I got it.
Yes, shall we discuss now? Has everybody
Yes,
completed?
ma'am.
All have done?
Ma'am, complete.
You need to
No,
share the
ma'am, till
PDF. You need to share the answer PDF in the class group immediately after the class, right?
मैम बहुत गंदी
Okay,
राइटिंग
ma'am.
है.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, राइटिंग हार्डली मैटर्स, आंसर हम पढ़ सकते हैं, ठीक है? राइटिंग पे मत जाओ, आप बस काम शेयर करिए हमारे साथ, हम देखें क्लास में जो आ रहा है उसको फायदा हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. फर्स्ट का आंसर श्रेया.
Ma'am, in 1789.
Okay,
With the
first
French
their
Revolution.
expression of nationalism came in 1789 at the time of French Revolution. Very good. Who was Frederick Sore? What did he prepare in 1848? Haseen.
Ma'am, he was a French artist, prepared
Yes.
a series of 4 printed visualizing his dream.
ठीक है. What did he visualize about the world? Dhananjay.
Ma'am, he visualized about the world that made up of democratic and social republic.
ठीक है. Very good. Next. Who were they? Who were offering homage in the first print?
Ma'am, the people of Europe and America.
Yes, the people of Europe and America. Very good.
Ma'am,
Then-
ma'am, we can say man and woman of America.
ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. अब आप बताओ, what is meant by absolutism? नहीं, who were they paying homage to? Question number 5. Who were they paying homage to?
Ma'am, they were paying homage to the Statue of Liberty.
हाँ, they were paying homage to the Statue of Liberty. Very good. Next. Next बताओ.
Ma'am, the principle of government with
The
unrestricted power.
दोबारा बताओ.
Ma'am, it is a principle of government with the unrestricted power.
Unrestricted power. Very good. ठीक है, very good. Next is what is meant by absolutism?
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Done?
Ma'am, utopia.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay, what is utopia?
Ma'am, a vision of a society that is so ideal that it can be unlikely to actually exist.
Exactly. It is unlikely to exist.
Exist.
Then who elected the State General?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am, the
can say
State General
National
was
Assembly.
elected.
Huh?
Can we say National Assembly because later they
Yeah.
were called
Who
National Assembly.
elected? Who elected the State General? कौन पहले
Ma'am,
चुना?
the body of
citizens.
active citizens.
Very
Citizens.
good. The body of active citizens. Very good. What was a State General renamed as?
Ma'am,
National
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 Assembly.
Assembly.
Very good. National Assembly. Then what did centralized administrative system do?
Ma'am, to
Ma'am,
formulate
It formulate
uniform
the
law
uniform
It
all around
formulated.
the
law
territory.
for all citizens within territory.
Very good. It formed uniform laws for the people in the territory. Language of France?
French.
French.
French. Then what did educated middle class in Europe set up?
Jacobin
Ma'am,
Club.
Jacobins Club.
Very good. Jacobin Club. Then how did idea of nationalism spread from France?
Ma'am, with the outbreak of the Revolutionary Wars, the
Very-
French armies began to carry the idea of nationalism.
Very good. With the outbreak of
Revolutionary Wars.
Revolutionary Wars. Very good. Very good. Then what happened when Napoleon returned to monarchy?
And they destroyed democracy in France.
हाँ, it destroyed democracy in France. Very good. अब आप ये देखो, ये सारे क्वेश्चन एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस ही हैं बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what was introduced in 1804 by whom?
Civil
ma'am,
code by
civil code.
Napoleon.
हाँ,
By
civil
Napoleon.
code by Napoleon. Very good. Then Napoleonic code gave various incentives. What were they?
Ma'am, transport and communication system were nahi.
Very good. Transport and communication systems were improved. What else?
Peasants and artists and workers, new businessmen enjoyed the new found of freedom.
हाँ, ठीक है. इसमें देखो, इसमें आप जो वेरियस इंसेंटिव्स है, आप ये बता सकते हो कि उसने बहुत सारे रिफॉर्म्स लेके आए थे. ठीक है, नेपोलियनिक कोड में बहुत सारे रिफॉर्म्स लेके आए थे. उनमें से किन्हीं दो को आप स्पेसिफाई कर दो. ठीक है.
Okay.
हाँ. Then where all was this concept exported to? ये कहाँ गया था? ये जो इनका आइडिया था,
Ma'am,
ये जो नेपोलियन, हाँ
Ma'am, Switzerland.
हाँ, लिखे हुए हैं, देखो कंट्रीज के नाम लिखे हुए हैं, या फिर आप इनको ये भी लिख सकते हो, टू द टेरिटरीज विच वर कॉन्कर्ड बाय नेपोलियन. ठीक है.
Yes. Holland and Switzerland.
हाँ, मेंस और ये सब आई थिंक 4-5 स्टेट
Yes.
के नाम दिए हुए हैं.
Brussels and
हाँ,
Mainz, Milan.
right. Very good, very good, very good. Next is how did Napoleon simplified administrative system in villages? Any 4 points. जो भी इसके रिफॉर्म्स थे नेपोलियन के, तो उस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव
Ma'am, increased taxation.
नहीं, गांव बेटा, विलेजेस में उसने क्या, विलेजेस में कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करा था सिस्टम को, तो आप ये बताओगे ना. विलेजेस में उसने क्या क्या प्रोविजंस करे थे, चेंजेस क्या करे थे? फ्यूडल ड्यूज और मैन्यूरल ड्यूज जो है वो मना कर दिए थे, है ना. ट्रांसपोर्ट कम्युनिकेशन को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट वर द ड्रॉबैक्स, नहीं, व्हाट चेंज ही ब्रॉट अबाउट इन टाउन्स. टाउन्स में क्या चेंजेस आए थे? उसी नेपोलियनिक वाले पैराग्राफ में ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स आर गिवन बेटा, चेक करो.
Ma'am, in towns, guild restrictions were removed.
Very good, very good. In towns the guild restrictions were removed. Next, what were the drawbacks of Napoleon's reform? इसी कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स भी थे ना नेपोलियन के रिफॉर्म्स के.